Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to load the correct SMRD and CBF files for different Mercedes vehicles. This is a very important step when using DTS Monaco or Vediamo, because choosing the wrong project file can cause communication issues or missing modules. Before we begin, if you need DTS Monaco, Zentry, Vediamo, or diagnostic and programming software from Mercedes, BMW, VAG, and many other brands, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. And when you purchase DTS Monaco from us, you will also receive complete SMR and CBF files included. Many people ask why there are two file types, SMRD and CBF. The answer is simple. SMRD files are mainly used for newer Mercedes platforms. CBF files are mainly used for older Mercedes models. First, let's start with an SMR project. In this example, we are working on a W253, so choosing the correct project is very important. First, open DTS Monaco. Next, select the correct project. For this W253 vehicle, we choose BR 205 253, Serie J, DBR. This project supports both 205 and 253 platform systems. Now select SMR Diagnostic mode. After that, connect to the desired control module and begin diagnosis, coding, or data backup. Now let's move to an older platform using a CBF file. In this example, we are working on a W204. So again, choosing the correct file is very important. First, open Vediamo. The interface is ready and the device is already connected. Now select the correct CBF project. BR204 CBF. Next, connect to the SAMF 204 control unit. After successful connection, we can save the coding data from the module. This is always recommended before making any changes. So that's how to correctly load SMRD and CBF files for different Mercedes vehicles. Choosing the correct project file will help you connect faster, avoid communication issues, and work more efficiently. If you need DTS, Monaco, Zentry, Vediamo, or complete SMR and CBF file packages, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.